What's up guys, in today's video, I'm gonna talk about why online businesses are the future, why they're the most sustainable, and why now is the absolute best time for you to jump on the wagon. Hey guys, Sarah Chister here, and if you're looking to build an online business, you are in the right place. Now, the question I got the other day was, why are online businesses the most sustainable? Why would it make the most sense to start it now? And why are they able to last so long? Well, the first thing is it mitigates risk. There's very low risk to starting an online business. You don't need cash, you don't need experience, you don't need an office, you don't need employees. All the normal costs of starting a brick and mortar or physical location would be a loan. You have to buy the building, you have to pay the employees, you have the rent, the lights, the cleaning. It's an absolute nightmare. In fact, I just would never want to do it, at least as a beginner, absolutely not. So that would be the first thing, is that if you start an online business and it fails, you literally lose nothing except your time. That is exactly what you want when starting a business. Now, the second reason it's so sustainable is, again, it's low risk. The only expenses I have in my company is what I spend on my paid advertising and then what I pay my employees. The cool thing is that I have predictable income every month based off my advertising and my marketing strategies, meaning that on average, every single month, for every dollar I spend, I make 4 back. So for example, if I want to make $1 million, I simply spend $250,000. I move them through my system, which I teach my clients how to do that. It's down in the description below if you're interested. And I have that predictable income now. It's very, very simple. On the other hand, with a brick and mortar business, you only can get clients within that 5-mile radius. And then, for example, COVID-19 at the time I made this video is going on. Well, that's a problem because all the businesses have now shut down and all their resources have dried up, and some are gonna have to close their doors or laying off employees. It's really a bad situation. So with an online business, it doesn't matter what happens in the world. It doesn't matter if there's a crisis, an emergency, whatever, you're still able to make money. So the cool news and the good thing is that at this time, everyone is continuing to make money in my business, and any other online business owner should be in the same scenario. Now, why would it be the best time for you to start right now? I think that's very self-explanatory. At the time I'm making this video, COVID-19 is going on. So for those of you who don't have an online business, you're essentially going to dry up all your resources unless the government turns everything back on. And so instead of waiting for the government to bail you out, or hopefully that will help, I just simply try to say, hey, go ahead and take control in your own hands and make your own money so you don't have to hope that someone else bails you out. On top of that, what the government's gonna pay out isn't gonna be very much. I've heard that they're gonna give out $1,200 checks per household or per person. That's really not enough to do anything. So I hope that makes sense, guys. At the end of the day, an online business is gonna be lower risk, higher upside, and it's gonna last longer because it's not dependent on what's happening in the economy as much. If things shut down, what people are in the location, you can have clients all over the world, and that puts you in a great position to succeed and to always make money. Hope that makes sense, guys. If you have questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.